This is Fixer John with dirtbike.com, and this is how to install the piston on your 1994 to 2001 Yamaha YZ125. This is my real-time service video where you can follow along with me as I perform the service. If you would like to see my faster point-to-point video, I have that linked below, as well as a link to the full top-end service. As always, parts and tools are linked below. Start the piston installation by covering your crankcase opening with a shop towel. If you drop your clip, you will spend an absurd amount of time trying to fish it out of the crankcase before you realize it would have been faster just to split the case again. I am using Lucas Assembly Lube, but two-stroke oil will work just fine, but you will need to use a lot of it. Apply Assembly Lube to the needle bearing and install it into the connecting rod bore. Old or new, your piston should have an arrow or the word "in" stamped on the crown. If it's an arrow, point it towards the front of the bike. If it's an "in," that side goes to the rear. Position your piston accordingly and apply assembly lube to the wrist pin. Push your wrist pin all the way to the opposite side pin clip. While wearing your safety glasses, install the second pin clip with the opening facing up. When installing the second clip, I did manage to scrape up my piston, but I was able to smooth it out with emery paper. With your piston installed, keep the shop towel in place until you install the cylinder. If you need any help or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments or shoot me a DM. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.